I want to calculate average workout time per weekday. I have these hours. I'm keeping day here in the A column, hours, but I want to see which day of the week am I working out the most. So let's first get all of the days of the week, A2 colon A, and this is getting each unique option here in the A column. And next to it, I'm going to use equals AverageIF. Now, AverageIF has a criteria range. That'll be the A column. A criterion, which will be right here where it says Monday. And the average range, we have to select where are the numbers. In our case, it'll be the B column. And now we have Monday is 1.1. We can copy paste these down and we can see that our maximum average is on Sundays. If our average has a lot of numbers, we can select our average range and decrease the decimal ranges or increase it to maybe make it all even. And there you go. There's our average workout time per weekday. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets and make a better life inside of Google Sheets, subscribe to Better Sheets here on YouTube.